Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to another video in your Facebook Ads Mastery course. In this video, we are going to create a new event. We are going to create payment links for that event. And then we are going to go ahead and create an event promotion ad inside Facebook. So if you go ahead and click on create and if you look at the options available here, you might not be able to see a specific event ad being available here. So first we will go ahead and create an event in Facebook. So for that I'm going to go into my page. So here let's go into my page, Deepak Kanagaraju, and here I will be able to create a new event. So create an event, click on this, and here I will be entering all the details including event name, location, description, hosts, and I will be adding a ticket link as well. So let me go ahead and fill the information here. So I have entered all the information that is required here. I've added a photo, I've added an event name, the location, the description, category, the time and date, and right now we don't have any co-hosts, but I could add 91 Springboard as a co-host. So I don't seem to find a page for the specific 91 Springboard that we are going for. So I will add my co-founder Sanjay Shenoy as a co-host because he is also going to be part of this, and schedule is already given here. It's a simple schedule, so I will not be adding here, and we need to add a ticket link here. So ticket link is important because that's how people will buy tickets for this, and I'm going to go to InstaMojo to create a ticket link. So basically I will copy paste all the information that is available here, create a ticket link on InstaMojo, and get back to this video. So I have added all the details that is required on InstaMojo for creating the payment link. I have added an image as well, and now I will go ahead and take the link for promotion. So this is the link where people can buy the event tickets, and what I will do is that I will probably go ahead and add a discount code for this, so that I just want to sell it at 200 rupees or 199. So amount of would be 300, and I'll just put it as Digital Deepak, add the code. Now we have the payment link which is showing 199 rupees, and now I can go back here and add the ticket link as well. So here is the ticket link added, and now I will go ahead and click on publish, and the event will be created. So now that the event page is created, now I can go ahead and boost this event from within the event page itself. So you have an option called boost event here. We can do that, and we can also go ahead and share this on other places. So I would be sharing this on my page itself, and I will also share it on the Learn Digital Marketing group where I am the admin. So we can share this here as well. So I added a small description of the event, and I will post this event on my page, and we'll mark it as announcement. Go back and pin this post. So now this is done. We can do the same on my page as well. So I would go here and share the event link. So this is the event link that we have. Click on share now, and it's done. So now we will look at how to boost the event. So basically I will click on boost event here. So here first I have to select the objective. So I have selected the objective as sell tickets. I have added an image, I have added a text, and here I can go ahead and create a specific audience for which this ad should be run. So I will basically put Hyderabad as the location, and put the age group as 18 to 50, all both men and women, and I would add the interest as digital marketing here. So that would give us a potential reach of 2.3 million people, which is good enough. And now I will click on save, and I will just click on boost. So to get the ad up and running, you can do this, but you will also be able to edit the ad once you go inside your Facebook Ads Manager. So for boosting events and creating an ad campaign for events, this is probably the best way to go ahead with this. So we are having a total budget of 50 USD, and I will probably run this until August 9th because the event is on August 8th, and see how the results are. So now I will click on save changes. We had created the custom audience in the previous step, and now the ad should be up and running. So we can go inside the Facebook Ads Manager and see if this particular ad has appeared. So here you can see that this new ad has appeared, which is Event Hyderabad Digital Marketing Club Meetup. And I can go inside here, select the ad set, click on edit, and I can go ahead and change some information here if I want, including budget, timing, and especially custom audiences. So here I wanted to focus only on the custom audience, which is 180 days of website visitors, but people who are also living in Hyderabad. So here I'm adding this particular custom audience, which we were not able to add in the previous step, and I will go ahead and click on publish. We need to wait for the event ad to be approved before it starts running, and right now we are not going to have a conversion event here, so I will remove that as well. So this is the targeting we have, and this is very highly targeted because these are people from so it asks me to select a conversion event, and right now we do not have a conversion event. I'm not sure why this is taking it as a conversion optimized ad for an event ad. Might be a little bit of a problem with Facebook ads. Anyway, it shouldn't necessarily affect selecting something here. It will not affect the ad, and we will wait for the ad to be approved and the ad to start running. So if you go inside this particular ad set, this is the ad that we have created that you can see. So here we have a short ad, and this is how it looks on mobile, this is how it looks on desktop, and it goes directly to the event page. And if people click on it, so we can see the actual post also. So this is a post that is being run, and if someone clicks on get tickets, it actually goes to the InstaMojo link directly instead of the event page. And if someone clicks on this, then it's going to go to the event page. So the call to action is to get them to go ahead and buy the tickets directly. So that's how you go ahead and create an event inside Facebook, and that's how you boost an event. And if you have any questions about creating events and boosting events within Facebook ads, go ahead and leave a comment below this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye bye.